Hi, I am Roxana from WP Estate, and in this video I will show how to install the WpResidence theme. Once you have purchased the theme from ThemeForest, you will have the files available to be downloaded in your buyer account. Before installing the theme, you will need to make sure that you have the specific requirements for the theme to work. From your buyer account, you can choose to download all files and documentation or only the WordPress file. I have downloaded the all files and documentation folder from my buyer account on ThemeForest. I have saved them locally on my device. This is the zip file. The first step that I will take will be to unzip, and now I have all files from the theme pack. To install the WpResidence theme correctly, you will need to upload in your site only the WpResidence zip file. In the other folders, you will have useful templates and other demo elements. So on this domain, I have WordPress already installed. I have checked the server requirements, and next I will show how to install the theme. I will go to Appearance, Themes. I will click Add New Theme. I will click Upload Theme. I will press Choose File. These are the files that I unzipped from the theme pack. I will select the WpResidence zip and I will click Install Now. The theme was uploaded. I will click Activate, and now the WpResidence theme is installed in my site. The next step is to install the theme included plugins. You will have this warning here, or you can go to Install Plugins section. Here you have the list with the theme included plugins. You will need to tick them all and install. All theme included plugins are now installed. I will refresh the page, and now I will activate all plugins. I will go to the dashboard, and now you will see that the theme elements show WpResidence license, options and other sections. The next step is to activate the theme. Here you will need to add your ThemeForest username and your license code. Once you added your details, you will need to check the consent box and press Register License. You'll have the message that you have successfully registered your license, and on refresh, the box will not show anymore. The theme install process is now complete, and you can start building your site. You can start with a demo import, or you can start by adding your contact. If you want to import a demo, you will need to go to WpResidence Options, Import Demo, and here you'll find all theme available demos. The one-click demo import process is made with the one-click demo plugin. After you finished importing the demo, the plugin can be deleted. Also, we have special video tutorials made for each demo explaining the steps that you need to take before and after the demo import. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.